know if that was better clarity. Alright, what do you mean you were...
You should shift it manually this time. Give it a try for that.
How do I do that?
When you...
I don't have a stick shift in this car.
I'll shift it for you. How about that?
Alright, fine.
Alright, ready, set, go. A zigzag corner, oh no! Where's that? Tennessee.
Yeah, but we want to head back to Lebanon and keep driving.
A long stretch, is that a long stretch of road?
Oh, I don't know, dude. What do you want to do?
I recognize this, turn right.
Alright.
Okay. And...
I don't think I can floor, dude. Turn up ahead. I might get up to 50 now. Turn again. Although it's a 45 mile an hour turn, I mean, a little more leniency there, I guess.
Yeah, at least it's not 90 degree.
Oh, damn clue.
We're almost by the B sign.
Oh, okay.
Honey sign, whatever it's called.
Alright. Yeah, so 226 can't be too far away.
Just a few miles.